What if we told you that crafting an entire wood-fired meal from start to finish was as easy as the flip of a switch? And what if that incredible food was all cooked on a grill backed by 30 years of quality craftsmanship? Once you experience Traeger's unbeatable wood-fired taste and discover how easy it is to use, you'll see why people all over the globe are choosing to stop grilling and start Traegering. It all starts with wood, 100% all-natural hardwood, from our sawmill to your grill. Means real wood for real flavor. From bold hickory and mesquite to sweet apple and pecan, you can customize your cooking like never before. And they're as easy to use as an oven. A digital controller gives you precise temperature control whether you're cooking low and slow at 160 degrees or hot and fast up to 500 degrees. Anything you can cook in your oven, you can cook on a Traeger. Wood-fired cooking made easy. Load your flavor-packed hardwood pellets into the hopper. Set your desired temperature. Hit the ignition and you're Traegering. Our powerful auger system carries pellets to the fire pot, where the hot rod ignites the Traeger's flavor inferno. The variable speed fan circulates the heat and smoke, just like a convection oven, guaranteeing consistent temperatures every time. Next time you cook out, let us bring the flavor. Traeger, bringing people together to create a more flavorful world.